And we have to interrupt our programming for just a moment because of the emergency weather. Important information will follow.
Issued at 1:48 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a dust storm warning for North Central Adams County, Southwestern Lincoln County, East Central Grant County, and North Central Washington until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 1:46 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a dust storm was reported near Highway 2. Blowing dust will impact the area, including possible visibility restriction on Interstate 90. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility. Source, Department of Highways. Impact, dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes Interstate 90 in Washington between mile markers 189 and 212. Locations impacted include Krupp, Batum, Irby, Marlin, Moody, Ruff, and Schrag. Dust storms led to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights, and keep your foot off the brake. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive. Repeating, a dust storm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington, Adams, Grant, and Lincoln.
And this concludes operations under the Inland Northwest Emergency Alert System. We now return to our regular programming. And again, if you are in a car in the basin somewhere, be very, very careful.